Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to use Adobe Firefly for product mockups. Let's get started. First, open the Adobe Firefly app and log in your account. Then here select the text to image from the main screen and use a detailed prompt like this. I'm going to use a realistic mock-up for a white ceramic mug with floral design on a wooden table. Then here you can add a style preference. Tap the Style tab and choose your art style, like photorealistic or 3D, your lighting as a studio light or soft light, and more. Background tone, whether it's plain white, gradient, or natural settings, and tap Generate and wait for a few seconds and the Firefly will produce your mock-ups. And if you're not satisfied, tap Refresh for a new variation, and you can also edit your prompts to include if you want packaging or if it's a glass perfume and more. And after that, tap a download icon to save it to your phone gallery. You can also add branding in another app. You can insert logo or label onto the product. You can use Canva, Pixel Lab, or CapCut and overlay your design on the Firefly image and adjust the opacity, angle, and replacement for realism. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.